Yeah, we are departing out of Williston.
We spent quite a bit of time here.
Yeah, we did, eh? We got here early yesterday. Spent a good few hours here in Williston.
Yeah.
Couldn't get into the museum.
But we saw a lot of other things.
Yeah, definitely.
So now it's on to Middelpos.
Middelpos, here we come. No, this is the wrong. I thought this was the turn off. Meantime, it's a gate.
You thought it was already a turn off?
Yes, but the it's in front there.
Oh, so it's not too far.
Not too far now.
So is it all gravel?
All gravel, yeah.
And you're hoping that the rain hasn't washed away
Yes.
enough to make it problematic for us in a non-4x4 vehicle?
Yes.
I have this on camera, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is to Sutherland. Here we go, our first gravel road for the day.
Yes, it feels like we haven't been on gravel forever. We were in town too long.
Too long in a town, eh? Crazy.
Look at that stripe from the jet.
Yes,
Did you also used to watch them when you were younger?
definitely
Across the
did.
skies,
Yeah,
eh?
amazing. It's like incredible to see the pools of water in the heart of the Karoo, eh?
This is more than a pool though.
Yeah, it's majorly.
Fantastic. Let's get going.
Yeah.
Oh, you see, they must have had quite a bad
Bit of
overflow
rain.
of water here.
Look at this, eh?
Yeah, luckily for us, it's dried up for the most
Yes,
part.
yes. But you can see this was washed out heavy.
Right. That's why the cones are.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's not too bad. We can deal with it with a quid.
No, this is perfect.
Yeah. But look at these mountains, eh?
Oh, fantastic.
Well, are they mountains or are they hills? Well, they're not mountains, they're hills, eh? But let's call them mountains.
No, for me they're mountains, eh?
Look at this. Wow, coming into the open spaces of the Karoo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
In a sense, eh? That's when they speak hectares here.
Wow.
It's unfathomable to us.
Look, one farm, 30,000 hectares.
Yeah.
That's pretty big, eh? This is a sight to see in the Karoo, pools of water in the road, eh?
This is a big pool.
Yeah.
Oh. Wowzer. That is amazing. That's
Yeah.
stunning, eh? Can you imagine now what it looked like a few days
I can
ago?
imagine the amount
or
of
a
rain
week
they got,
ago?
because if it's still dammed up like this.
We just can't stop saying it because it's just so amazing.
Yeah. Like a dam.
Leonderds
It's
rivier.
a rivier. Wow, I didn't even know it's a river.
The signs are quite faded.
You'll see over here, there's a big dam here, full of water. Yeah, look at this.
Oh yeah. Look at the ducks.
Yeah,
Or is it geese?
I don't know, it looks like it's Egyptian geese.
Oh, that is amazing. Hi. How fantastic.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
What do these signs say? Oh, the one I won't be able to read.
You know what amazes me is that they never attacked the drone.
That's true.
Flykraal,
And you were right above it.
right over it, right over it.
And this is to Fraserburg. Williston back, Sutherland ahead, Fraserburg left.
Okay, cool.
Right. Road's much funny.
Hey, look at this.
You love them single
I
lane bridges.
love it, love it, love it. Let's see how much water they have here. Wow, I love this.
Not a lot.
Not a lot, but this must have been flowing.
Not more this side.
Yeah, look at this, eh? There's no sign where we came on or what the river's name is,
I'll check this sign now.
but I suspect it could be the Riet.
The Riet River?
Yeah.
Let's have a squiz.
Yes, it's the Riet River.
Okay.
I saw it on Maps.me.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Okay, we have to turn off to Calvinia side now to get to Middelpos. We're not heading to Sutherland, and we've just come from Williston. So yeah. Okay, yes, our junction. We're heading to Calvinia Middelpos, not to Koppiesfontein or Modderaskolk. But this
Yeah,
is
are we on the right way?
very
All right.
nice sign, very clear, can't miss it. This is really interesting, eh? There in the distance is another kraal. And over there.
Yeah, look at that.
Amazing, eh? So many of them.
They're nice and round, eh?
Yeah, I think a lot of them are pregnant.
Hello. Yeah, I think so.
Hey. Come,
Hi.
come. No, don't trust you.
With reason. Gorgeous.
This one's definitely pregnant. Upward. What a welcome with the donkeys, eh?
Don't stop. Oh, don't go.
It's amazing.